Welcome, in front of me is a SONY Xperia L4, and today I will show you how to enable the power saving mode. So the process is fairly simple. All you need to do is pull down the notification panel and you should see battery saver right here. Toggle it on and it gives you a message to extend your battery life. Battery saver turns off some device features and restrict apps. So let's tap on apply. What it does, it terminates apps in the background quickly or every time they go into background, whatever, and also restricts the amount of data that it uses. So as an example, if you get a notification right now without this being on, it gets delivered to you immediately, but with the power saving mode it will be delivered in bulk. So for instance, someone sent you a message right now that requires a Wi-Fi, and you might get it in like a couple minutes instead of immediately when it's sent. And it also will probably be delivered in bulk with a couple additional messages up. So yeah, that is how you would enable it. And to disable, again, go to notification, tap on this again, and now it's disabled. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.